If the first name is too long, the program will show error. And you will have to make change here. We are not using long name now. Next column is last name. Same here. Set the length as same as first name. 25 characters. Next column is emails. You can copy and paste from the top by using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. You can set character length to 30. Next column is job title or position. Let's set character length to 30. You can make change later. Next column is phone. Character length is 30 as well. If your employee has more than one phone number, you might have to set character length longer. I'm setting the character length to 30, just to show you an example. When you store your employee information, you have to see what fits for you. Let's review the columns. First is Auto ID, which is primary key. First name, last name, emails, job title, phone. Last column will be linked to department, which I will teach you later on. Create column named Department ID. Set data type to int. In the beginning, you can check allow nulls. Only two columns cannot be allow nulls. First name and last name. Then save by using Save All, or right-click at the Table tab. Select Save. Name it as Employees, or you can use Employee TBL, but I will use this name. It's easy to understand, I'm not using any abbreviation. Just plain English, Employees. Now we have ourselves Employee Table. Close it. Refresh Table. Expand the table by clicking the plus. You'll see Employee Table. If you want to make change or set new, right-click and select Design. It will show you the table you have just created. For example, your employee has many phone numbers, you can set the character length to 50. Then save by using Save All. You will see the notification window pop up. Close it. Go to Tools, and select Options. Go to Designers. On your right, you see, Prevent saving changes that require table recreation. Unclick the box. So, when you make any changes to your table, it will not show the notification pop up. Go back to your table and try saving again. Now you can make changes, and save. Let recap one more time. Go to Tools and select Options. Select Designers on your left-hand side. Unclick Prevent saving changes that require table recreation. Then click OK. I will finish this lecture here. We will create another table in the next lecture. Thank you so much.